Here they come again, Bill and Phil. When these two meet, even chickens get nervous.
Yeah, smells like adventure and something fried.
Bill's putting on gloves, not for surgery, for battle.
He's ready to face 1 kilo of chicken wings.
And the cutting begins.
Each wing in its place until the fryer calls its name.
And there's Ray. He'd subscribe just for that one bite.
And hey, smash that like if you grab a wing too.
Phil's slicing like a pro. Precision, speed, focus.
Meanwhile, Bill, where's Bill?
Oh, he's on the swings. Mental preparation, apparently.
There he is, the master of chill. Success equals balance between fire and naps.
Phil's chopping onions, 2 big ones. Tears of joy, guaranteed.
If anyone's crying, it's out of jealousy.
Ray found shade.
It's hot out, but his appetite never takes a break.
Bill's making the marinade. Onion, salt, pepper, spices, soy sauce.
If smell-o-vision existed, you'd have liked this already.
Comment below, spicy or sweet marinade?
Marinade's ready. Phil's mixing with passion.
Now, it needs 30 minutes, but don't worry, we'll fast forward for you. Now the sauce. Parsley, mayo, mustard, garlic, paprika, lemon juice.
The blender's on, culinary remix time.
Smells so good, even Bill stopped swimming.
And look, Ray's back. He knows when it's getting real.
I've always dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no difference, so look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
Moment of truth, double breading.
Flour, water, back to flour again. The crispy initiation ritual.
Who could resist that quest?
Bill and Phil together, rare sight.
The wings dive into oil, hear that sizzle. If ASMR smelled like fried food, this would be it.
Look at that crust! Golden brown perfection!
Bill says, this isn't a recipe, it's a religion.
Tasting time. Phil bites, Bill nods, Ray circles the table.
Sacrifices. He knows he's getting his share.
If you'd grab one too, hit like and subscribe, or Ray gets it first.
Next episode, something so crispy even KFC will take notes.